everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make Disneyland's Churro Toffee, the easy way. This toffee is delicious and is topped with melted white chocolate that is covered in cinnamon sugar. It's the perfect combination of a churro and toffee, and it's a treat that I get each time I visit Disneyland. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any new recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need for the toffee. 2 cups of salted butter, 2 cups of white sugar, 4 cups of white chocolate chips or 2 bags of Ghirardelli white chocolate melts, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. For the cinnamon sugar topping, you'll need 1/4 cup of white sugar and 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon. First, spray a 9x13 baking dish with nonstick cooking spray and line the dish with a sheet of parchment paper, letting it hang over the sides of the dish for easy removal. Next, add the butter and the sugar to a large heavy-bottom saucepan and cook the mixture over medium-high heat. Stir constantly for about 5 minutes until the butter is melted. When the butter has completely melted, bring the sugar mixture to a boil. Allow the toffee mixture to boil until a candy thermometer reaches 285 degrees Fahrenheit and is a dark amber color. Be patient as this process may take up to 30 minutes. Remove the pan from the heat and stir in the vanilla extract. Pour the mixture into the prepared baking dish, making sure to scrape the sides of the pan to get all of the mixture out. Allow the candy mixture to sit for 2 to 3 minutes, then sprinkle the white chocolate chips over the top. Cover the dish with foil and let it sit for 5 minutes to soften the white chocolate. Then remove the foil and use a spatula to spread the chocolate over the toffee in a thin, even layer. To make the topping, combine 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon, then sprinkle over the top of the white chocolate. Place the toffee in the refrigerator for about 1 to 2 hours until set. Then use the parchment paper to lift the hardened toffee out of the baking dish and break into bite-sized pieces. Serve or store in an airtight container. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for Disneyland's Churro Toffee. It is a great treat for Christmas or any time of year. The full recipe will be in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.